Right, welcome back to Channel walkaround tours. We're here at Yumbo. Just gonna take a little walk around. Just gonna have a little look. It's meant to be Fetish Pride this week, so you might see a few things. So yeah, it's just coming up for 11 o'clock now. Alright, so it's Eden. So, for all the people that complained last time, much more busier this time. I got down a bit earlier. I think my last video down there, I got here at 1 AM. And everyone complained that I came a little bit too late. But hey, not late no more. What everyone's looking at over there, but yeah. What's this place? Blue Havana, eh? Let me know when you come down to Yumbo, where do you like to go? We're having a little walk around here. And I think I'll try to go upstairs as well. Show you a bit of upstairs. So check out the bars here. A bit more of an act going on down this one. Yeah, Buddy's bar. Yeah. Let's keep going. We've got a bit of a mission to walk all the way around. But yeah, where do you like to come to when you come to Yumbo? A bit more quieter down there. But yeah, I am bloated for my dinner. We had a Chinese down at the marina, at the plaza. That stuffed me. I am completely stuffed. But yeah. So large beer, look, €2 for a large beer. Can't go wrong with a beer for £2. I mean, everyone's facing this way. There's nothing to really look at. So you've got Mardi Gras, you've got Fiction. You've got Happy Hour in this one. 2 cocktails, tenner. It's not too bad. Sorry, buddy. A lot of stuff going on up there. We'll take you upstairs in a minute. Busy, yeah. So yeah, last time we was here, it wasn't, I said it was like 1 AM. So it wasn't as busy. We're very busy now. Very nice. difficult to try and get in front of people here, but I'll hold you guys up high so you can see everything. Yeah, nice one, this one. I'm trying to get in front of these guys. So we've got to try and find Amber. Amber's around here somewhere. Don't know where she went, but we've got to find her. She'll have a beer for me, waiting for me. Oh, it's $14.95 for the buffet here. Let me know if this one's any good. I've actually been to this one. Right, that's the circle at the bottom. Cut back to me, you'll see the circle at the top. So yeah, nice and busy around there. See if we can walk all the way around. Find a spot for these lot to have a beer. What's this one? Vibe. Vibe looks quite cool. We'll just have a little pool down there as well. But yeah, it's where we were just a minute ago. Look how busy it is down there. Yeah, you've got a performer on the stage, everything. But yeah. Let's keep going around our talk up as well for the copyright music. But yeah, what's this? Nice burger joint? It's an I grill and Italian as well. Oui. Thank you over the edge. Keep going round, show you around all the little side bits, all the little bars, restaurants. It's quite hot at the moment, it's about 24 actually, 24 degrees it says at the moment at night, which is really nice for walking around. So what's your favourite place to eat when you come around here? Where do you eat? Let me know in the comments. Just got sparkles over here. No performer on at the moment though. We've got everyone down. When we came here last Sunday, there was a performer on. They're singing like they're singing like Disney act. Maybe it's the same thing on other time. I have no idea. Let me know if you like it. That's what you come here for. Hey, look at this, busy here again. No. Real busy here. No ladies here. So it's really busy here. Let's try and get through the crowd. Let's see. No problem. You got Tom's Bar. Everyone knows Tom's Bar. Very busy, much more busy. When we came here last year, you see, earlier this year, you see it was nowhere near as busy as what it is now. But we're just coming up to the end of Fetish Pride, so a lot more busier. Right. Stinks a bit there, but yeah. A nice street food kebab shop there. So I might have to talk up again the copyright music, but I think the last time I came they had a little show on just outside here. But yeah, not at the moment, maybe a bit more busy later on tonight down here. Hello. Hola. Yeah. It sounds a nice there. Pumpkin tunes in here. The cruise terrace. Much more busy in here. Ah no, this was the one. It was here last time. It was every show, but this is where it was. A little show on it last time. We got some chicken now. So yeah. Is that the full lap? Have we done the lap? Very nice. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next one.